In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video to Instagram story from PC. Now, for us to get this done, first thing that I'm going to tell you is you won't be able to do it here on the official Instagram. If you're going to click the create, so you can only create a new post but not a story. Now, to do that, what we're going to do is open the Chrome Web Store. And then we're going to go ahead and look for a particular extension. This extension is called Insist. This one, you are going to add this. Now, once you have added it, you can just click this and then open that particular application. And as you can see, it already connected me to my Instagram here. Now, what we are going to do is just click this one, and then basically you can find or upload whatever you want to do. So I'm going to choose this one, for example, hit the open button, and then click the add to your story button right here. You can of course schedule this for later, but that is due for another video. Alright, there you go. It says that it has been added. Now, if we are going to click this, we should be able to see that particular story that we've added. Now, if we are going to head over to Instagram, we can refresh this one, and you can see that now we have it here as well. So that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.